This is not ice cream. What you're seeing is just the beginning. Raw ingredients moving through steel at industrial speed.
Every hour, this factory processes tons of milk, sugar, and cream, all measured, mixed, and controlled down to the smallest detail. Before ice cream ever tastes smooth, it goes through heat, pressure, and precise timing, where science decides texture, flavor, and quality.
This is the moment everything changes, when liquid becomes ice cream.
Hi, I'm one of the engineers here. Today, I'll take you inside a modern ice cream factory plug and show you how millions of perfect scoops are made, step by step.
Once separated, the fresh cream flows directly into temperature-controlled tanks, ensuring perfect preservation.
Rushing through the plates, the mix reaches a precise high temperature, ensuring rapid and effective bacterial inactivation. Monitoring critical parameters in real time guarantees both safety and consistency in the pasteurization process.
Immediately following pasteurization, the mix is rapidly cooled to halt any microbial growth. For unparalleled smoothness, the mix is forced through microscopic orifices, breaking down the fat globules. Ensuring flavor harmony requires micro-precision. Our system seamlessly integrates delicate flavorings at the perfect moment.
This cutaway view shows the rapid heat exchange. A blade immediately scrapes these nascent crystals away.
After achieving that perfect roast, the nuts are quickly moved to the cooling conveyor, locking in the flavor and ensuring that irresistible crunch.
Utilizing a multi-channel precision pump, the vibrant raspberry and mango purees are artfully swirled into the base.
Carried by the conveyor, the ice cream begins its final journey into the chilling unknown, the critical deep freeze.
As the sensors detect a change in product thickness, the intelligent automation adjusts the conveyor speed in real time.
Swift and precise, the probes confirm the internal temperature, verifying the deep freeze of every single item before it moves to packaging.
The transition zone utilizes advanced air curtains to create an invisible barrier, ensuring zero condensation and maintaining product integrity.
The rainbow one.
Wow, that looks amazing. Should we get it, honey?
Thanks for walking the factory floor with me. If you enjoyed this process, please like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more amazing factory videos.